And I know that sometimes when I'm talking to the conscious African family, what happens is they say to me, Brother Jabari, first of all, they say, 7? There's only 7 lies, brother? And I said, well, we had to stop somewhere. We couldn't just, this would not be a book if we continued to dismantle all of the lies that have been told about people of African descent. So we chose the 7 most important in our analysis. In addition to that, they also say, are they little? And obviously we see that this is a play on words. Because what is a little white lie? It's supposedly a lie that is told to someone. Why?
Because it's harmless.
Because it's harmless, and also because
It's big. It's a big lie, but no one's little.
see, he's already gone into the conscious. But don't go there yet. Don't go there yet, brother. It's supposed to be inconsequential. But why would you tell a little white lie? To deceive, but more. Usually they describe it as
feelings.
yes. Supposedly you tell a little white lie because actually the truth would harm the hearer. It's inconsequential. It's small. And we say that many of these lies are believed to be little white lies.